Hello guys, now we have all these parts in here, and the red color fork 20-inch for the spread is 150, for 5 tire, the handlebars right and left, the link piece, springs, the link pieces, and some other parts. Here we have the tools, the wrench. These are the tools necessary to build up the fork. Alright, so let's build it up. Some piece as well, so it's painted, so we have to polish. This is where we are now. Let's continue our job. So right here, we can use extra washer in here to put it in here, and now there's custom made screws. So this is pretty much it. Make sure the level, the hanging piece is somewhere horizontal. It has to be horizontal. Check. And so this part is a little bit lower, so it has to be it has to go down a little bit more. The cap, stainless steel material. Lock it up. This is good, man. So that's what it is like now. All right. So next would be the link piece. This is a disc brake mount. So this link hammer or whatever it is. So this is it. Okay. So the other side. See, now this is done. So this is flat, like you see. Here, as I said, we have the polished the inner hole a little bit. So we have the graze as well. So it's gonna be easy for it to go through, to get in. So. And now this is the finish, the finish of the job. Of course, there will be a little bit of drilling here, because we have the paint cover up in the hole a little bit again. So, but anyway, we are pretty much done with the job. This is a job, man. This is today's job. What do you think? The suspension fork. Alright, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Bruce again from China, from Hangzhou Elka Bike. Thank you very much for your time. Watching this video, it's a little bit boring, Anyway, thank you, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.